guys, welcome back to Sanji's kitchen. I was gonna cook something today. Then cross promotion? Yeah. Back early this month of April, at the time you're watching this video or listening to this on the podcast, there was a picture floating around on Popeyes where there was a straw hat, something happened on the 13th, and everyone thought, oh, this is an April Fool's Day thing for them. That's not real. Turns out it was real because a couple days later, Popeyes announced that they're doing their second ever collab with One Piece. If you're wondering what the first collab they've ever done was, it was with Five Nights at Freddy's, and I have seen the reactions and all that. It didn't generate well at all. People didn't like the dessert, people didn't like the specialty drink. They thought it was all okay. So what makes One Piece and Popeyes connect together? Well, easy. Meat on the bone, the most classic thing from One Piece. So why don't we go ahead and turn that to food. Now, on April 13th, when they released the One Piece food specialties, they also released a special limited edition One Piece Popeyes Collab bento box that it looked like this, but only those locations were only gonna have 100 of them. And spoilers, some of them only had 88. And you know who would be on those lines wanting those bento boxes? Scalpers. They are the one pirates of this kitchen that we don't stand for, damn it. And they were also selling the bentos online, but that was it. It was just a Luffy bento Popeyes bento box. At least, just now, Jollibee's has done a collab with Final Fantasy, and they've done a better job promoting that than the One Piece stuff. At least you get some cool stuff with it, but you're kind of wondering what is with the One Piece one. Well, they had left Luffy's bento, which for about $14 you get 2-piece citrus chicken, side of mac and cheese, and one side, and then the specialty lemonade and cupcake. Good thing I found out you don't even need to order that to grab the 2 specialty food items, because there's only 2. Just 2 food specialty items. And I don't remember what the flavors are at the top of my head, but good thing Google exists. Now first off, we have the Gum Gum Fruit Lemonade, where you can get it in either frozen or chilled. We're just doing the chilled version today, where this has lemonade that's flavored with pineapple, blue raspberry, and orange. So it looks like this, so it's the Gum Gum Fruit Lemonade. And then the other specialty, as Rosen comes into frame, is the Chopper's Cupcake, which, honestly, this looks cute. It's like a sakura blossom. It's a sweet strawberry cake.
Considering your look.
But it's a sweet strawberry cake topped with rosettes of pink strawberry flavored icing and white sprinkles. So we're gonna be trying those ones because we did buy our own food from Popeyes, not just this because we have our lunch, but otherwise, we're gonna try.
I'd like to do this because I'd like to eat lunch.
Yeah, we're doing this because we need to eat lunch, but first, let's go ahead and try the lemonade. So
I'm going to predict that everything is going to be good, but way too sweet for me.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly what I said.
You could taste the blue raspberry.
Yep.
I say C.
I agree. It's really like overpoweringly sweet.
I might have to lower that down some way. But now we have the cupcake.
It's like getting punched in the face by an icy.
Good thing I didn't get the frozen one.
Yeah.
That smells like strawberries.
Yep, sure does.
Alright.
Again, predicting the same thing.
I will say when I went to the nearby Popeyes near us, they had a nice to-go order screen, and they actually had One Piece on it, so I took a picture of that, and hopefully Issac can show that because it makes it fun, makes it unique, and also makes this section a little bit more filling.
Eat the food. The lunch is staring at me.
Oh, okay. Actually, I thought it'd be super sweet. It's not super sweet.
I say it is.
I will say B.
I'll give it a C as well. Again, like,
I say a B for
teeth
this.
rottingly sweet to me.
It doesn't say taste super sweet to me. This is a B for me. I will say
Not great, especially considering we just did the One Piece, Sanji's Galley last night.
or previous episode.
But, it's decent.
I will say overall for this collab that Popeyes has done with One Piece, we're just gonna give this he's all C's. I'm like B's and C's.
Like, averages out to a high C, which ironically Popeyes does not have.
Yeah, but no, we'll just give it a C, just because it's a cool idea of practice. They could have probably done a little bit more of like maybe add more like a special chicken would have been cool. Maybe a special seasoning of fries.
They didn't do that.
I'm surprised they didn't do that either because they had classic spicy. They could have done something else, and also like maybe something else with the fries and maybe a different side. But otherwise, we give this a solid like C. Like
a low B, high C.
There's some things they can't improve upon, but hopefully we'll see what happens. Next time, hopefully they can actually cook in this kitchen. How long has it been since we've been cooking in this kitchen? It's been a while.
And next is, I don't know.
We're definitely cooking next episode because luckily there's no other One Piece stuff in the area. Right? Right? Answer me!